Hello, 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 y'all. Welcome on back to Creators Spicy Tea. All right, today we are digging into a resource that was recently requested on the brand new Telegram group for the Creators Spicy Tea Patreon members. And y'all, I'm so excited about that group. I'm so excited. But today we're going through one of the, I would say, most underrated upgrades that you can make to your Telegram channel setup. We're going to be going in depth on connecting a discussion group to your channel because, y'all, there's this pretty big difference between just broadcasting content and post out to everyone and then actually building a community with everyone. Do not get me wrong, okay? Y'all know I'm a Telegram channel girly, right? And a channel is really great for updates, announcements, spicy content in general, and even the subscription-based content feeds like I have. But the thing is, it's kind of one way. Telegram channels are broadcasting channels. You are talking at people and not necessarily with people. Okay, how do we fix that? By adding a discussion group. Adding a discussion group kind of flips that switch because now you have a place for conversation. You've got a place for feedback, hype, real-time reactions, jokes, just interaction and engagement in general. And a really cool part of a discussion group, it all stays directly connected to your content. So what that means is every post that you put up on your channel is automatically going to be forwarded to that group, pinned, and then threaded with its own little comment section, which is amazing, if you ask me. So that means your subscribers are no longer just watching your updates and your content come through. Instead, they're actively responding to it. They're engaging with you and each other. With groups, you have the space and ability to build a genuinely interactive community. All right, so whether you are running a free public channel or a locked down subscription-based one, adding a group gives your people kind of a place to be, not just a place to scroll. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set it up step by step by step. So what we're going to do now, I'm sure everyone knows what's coming next. We are going to be switching devices and we're going to be doing a screen recorded tutorial. Bear with me, y'all. We all know that the audio might be about to get a little worse. You know I'm going to try and fix it up, but we are going to go step by step, take out any confusion, any guessing, and we're going to make it quick and easy for you to set up your community. All right, let's hop over to the tablet and get into it. Welcome back to the test channel. We are digging in today on how to connect a Telegram group for discussion specifically to a channel. You're going to pop open your channels menu by tapping the channel's name. From here, you're going either to channel settings or the pencil. It'll get you to the same darn place. And you're going to go and click where it says discussion. You're going to click add. And from here, it's going to show you a list of groups. If you already have existing groups, you can connect them to your channel. Now, if you want to create a new group, say this is for like your private subscription-based channel, you would click create a new group. From there, you're going to add a profile picture if you want it, give it a name if you want it. I would always suggest leaving auto delete messages off because that does basically what it says. It's going to wipe the entire chat for everyone in it after a certain amount of time. If you want that, give it a tap and you can choose a day, a week, a month, or you can set your custom time. Once you have that set up, you're going to click the check mark. Now, once you've clicked select, it's going to pop you right back to your test channel settings. To get to your group, go to discussion and click test channel chat, and bam, that has popped you right into here. From here, we're going to play with the settings. Now, the settings are going to be found the same way we find them for a channel. Tap the name, tap the pencil. You can go to your group type, and I would suggest restrict saving content, especially if this is a private and subscription-based or exclusive access-based group. That will prevent anyone from copying anything. downloading anything, or forwarding any content. If this is for your NSFW subscription-based adult content Telegram channel, you have to turn that on. I highly, highly suggest it. You're going to tap that, and then you're going to hit the check mark. I'm not going to tap that, because if I do that, you won't see anything. And I already made that mistake and then recorded another 3 minutes. So, from there, you can go into here, change your appearance if you would like. Everything does cost boosts. Now, I know we have had a lot of discussions in the past about using groups with topics, and we love them, and they're so sexy, and they're so pretty. Can't use them if they are connected to a channel, as you can see here. Same as with setting up a Telegram channel, you can go in here and allow only certain reactions, or you can allow all reactions or none. Going back in, what I would say is incredibly important to peek at is user permissions here. This is going to change the settings of what the users of the groups are allowed to do. I would obviously encourage allow sending text messages, because this is a discussion group, so we want people to be able to discuss. And then by tapping send media, it opens all these other options. If you uncheck any of these, it will no longer allow the users to send those specific unchecked items, but they can continue doing all others. As for add users, you can click that over, but again, if this is for a private and exclusive space, keep that off, and that will prevent anyone from being able to send a link or an invite link or invite any other users to your private subscription space. You also have the option to charge your members for sending messages. You can set your stars amount for however much you want. Then you also have the option to enable slow mode. You can not restrict boosters by tapping this button here. So a booster is someone who boosts your channel. If you remember, in appearance, we had to use boosts in order to change our appearance of the channel. Be so certain every time you are done in a setting, you click the check mark or that setting will not stick. So we're going to click that. And then invite links, same as with our channel. We're not going to go super in depth on that. You have your base invite link. You can create a new link. You can limit it per number of users, what have you. You can also request admin approval. I highly suggest this if you are not handing links out one by one to the person and expecting them to join pretty much immediately. What this will do is create a specific area of your group when someone joins that you will see someone requesting to join, and you can check them out before allowing them. Let's look at what that looks like. So we turned on request admin approval. We have no time limit on it. If you wanted to set a custom time limit, you can go in here and do so. You can name the link as well. We're going to create link, and then let's give it a shot. Once someone has used that link to request to join, you'll see this pop up here. It'll say one join request. Another place to find that is to go back into your chat settings, your group settings, and you'll see join requests right here. You'll click it, and you'll either add to group or dismiss. You're also able to click on the profile, make sure the person is who you want to be joining, but to join them in, you'll click add to group, and that wiped out the join requests, and that person has been added to the group. After invite links, we go down to administrators. You can absolutely add any extra admins you would want by going to here. Let's say I want to add myself. You can change every little tiny bit of the permissions that this admin can do. Please remember, always make a second Telegram account of your own and always have it as an admin on every one of your groups and channels, so you have 2 of your own accounts on your groups and channels. We're going to do that here. That is me. We're going to click that. We're not going to turn on remain anonymous, because if we turn on remain anonymous, every time this admin posts, it will just say from the test channel chat. It won't say their name. If you are adding your second account, please make sure add users is turned on so that if you lose your other account, this account of yours can add a new account as an admin. That was so many times I said account. Always make sure to click the check mark. And there we are. Pretty much by default, you'll find that your original account, so whatever account you just made this chat with, is going to have Remain Anonymous turned on. I always click that off, or instead you can add a different title for yourself that will show up. I usually just click it off and go with my name. From there, we're going to pop back. Now in members, let's give that a look. We're going to pop that up, and as you can see, you don't have a 3 dot by the owner's name, but what you do is right above every member, right next to it, you can go down here to where it says change permissions. When you go into change permissions, you can restrict someone from performing specific actions for any duration of time. So you can put someone on timeout. If you have users in your group that are being inappropriate, disrespectful, or violating your rules and policies that you should have if you are doing a group, then you can have a ban or enforcement escalation procedure. The last little setting we're going to peek at is we're going to go down to recent actions. This just shows you everything that the moderation team has done, and or if any users have left your channel or joined your channel, things like that. It'll all be listed out here, and it will usually show, I believe it's 48 hours of changes and activity. To change what is shown here, go down to settings and then just pop these open and customize them as you see fit. One of the biggest benefits of having a group connected as a discussion group to your channel is that everything you broadcast on your channel is also going to be forwarded over to your group. So let's look at what that looks like. Let's just say we say hello world, and we send that off. Now, as you can see, there's a little button right underneath that says leave a comment. Give that a tap and bam. This is the individual comment section for that post. Let's say we do leave a comment and we just say comment, send that off. Now let's go look at what the test channel chat looks like. As you can see, they are all sent as replies to that message. Up here where it says pinned message, every message you send from your test or from your channel is going to be popped over here, and it will be pinned. So all of the content that is forwarded from the channel over to the chat, over to the discussion group, will be pinned, whereas all of the comments and responses and other chat around it will not. So that will help differentiate it. All right, that was long and that was a little winding, but that was how we set a discussion group up with a Telegram channel. All right, that was it. That is the step-by-step setup for a discussion group for your Telegram channel. Now your channel is no longer just a broadcast feed. You have space to turn passive followers into active and interactive community members. This is a fantastic way to go from just one-way updates to real active conversations. This is a great place to give your people a space to interact, respond, engage with each other, and stay connected. Not just with your content, but with the vibe you are building around it. I know it was a little bit long, and I know Telegram can make it a little confusing, but I swear once it's set up, it's pretty much set it and forget it. It's pretty clean of a system, it's efficient, and if you are building your private space, your paid subscription channel, or just a content hub, this is how you build a space for community within it. So before you launch it, double check those permissions. Lock down your invite links and give people a reason to resubscribe and build those connections. And y'all, I know I mentioned it in that tutorial. Don't forget your second account for your admin account, just in case. You don't want to get locked out of your stuff. All right, if this helped you out at all, be sure to pass it on to the next creator. It might help. And test it with your own setup. Let it run a few days. See what your community thinks. I don't personally have a discussion channel because I polled my community. I asked them if they want it, and they kind of said no. So, oh well. But for now, go build something your people want to be a part of. And also, y'all, let's throw that tagline out there. I hope you are safe. I hope you are so sane. And goddamn, I hope you are thriving.